Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about foreign key and user table, inbuilt user table in Django. Here is the basic concept behind foreign key is to connect the two tables, and we can access the data of one table from the another table, which the both table must be connected to each other using foreign key. So there is a keyword called foreign key, and we will going to connect the two tables and then access the data from uh, another table. So there is a user table which is inbuilt in Django, and this table contains some field like username, password, first name, last name, and email ID. So there is a predefined tables, and we are going to use this. Here you can see that there is a block model which we have created, and in this table we have connect to the user table using foreign key. Here we have to first import the user table from the Django inbuilt package, and then we can use the user table here. So foreign key is a keyword and user is a model in the Django. So we have connect the blog with user table using foreign key. So we can access the user table information from the blog table. So here first you have to import the two important things. You have to first import the all models from your app. Then second is you have to import the user table from the Django package called Django contrib auth.models. From this package you have to import user table. So first of all we are going to create a user which you can use this user to log in and access the admin panel, because here is the username called Sammy12, first name, whatever you want you can assign this randomly chosen names. You can also specify a password. After username you can also specify a password field, and you can assign a password here, so that there it must be complete, like username, password, email. And I've just taken a 4 fields from user table and assign a value. So after creating an object ID, we have created an object, but we have to save this object, then it will be going to active. Here the object is created with username Sammy12. Now we are going to access this data, and then we will assign this data in block table which is we have created. So first of all we are going to access the all usernames and all users from the user table which we have created previously. So I have created 4 or 5 users in user table, including Sammy12. So in this way you can access the all username in the user table. So here is a tutorial, and there is a 5 users registered in user table. So we will going to access the data with username Sammy12. So for this we will going to use the get method to get the username with Sammy12. It will fetch the data corresponding to this username. So we have all the information which related to a row which match the username is equal to Sammy12. So now we are going to assign this value in user1 field, which is connected to a foreign key with user model. So in this field we are going to assign the user model information df, which contain the all information regarding this username called Sammy12. So in the block table we are going to assign the all information regarding Sammy12 in block table using user one field. So in user one field there is information about Sammy12. So we are able to save this information. Now the in block table the user model and the information is stored. So now we are going to check this to access the information. Author is called to Sammy Jack. It will match the all information in a row which have the author name is equal to Sammy Jack. So you can access the all other fields and information in the same row. Like we are going to print the D dot author is Sammy Jack. You can also print and fetch other information like comment, user one. So first of all we are going to access the comment. Here is the hello Sammy which we have assigned previously. Now we are going to access the information in user one field. So in user one there is information about Sammy Jack and Sammy12. So here it will print Sammy12 username. You can also access the first name. This first name is not in block table. It is in user model table, and we are accessing that data from block table. So this is a function of foreign key. We have connected two tables called block and user model. So after connecting this table we can access the data of the table, any table from the another table. So now look at the server side, like admin panel, how it will going to look, and what we have created. We can also examine on the admin panel, Django admin panel. So how it will look like, and how we can manipulate these changes, these information also in admin panel. So here we have to start the server first of all, and you have to also run this server on the browser. It will take a little bit time to open the browser. Wait for some time. So here you have to start your server at localhost and /admin. In admin panel you have to enter the username password which you have created in create super user. This password must be a privilege of super user, and permission to access of create super user attribute. So here is the tables called users, which is inbuilt in Django, and there is a user names and users registered in user table. So I have clicked on Sammy12. There is information. We have not set password. We have not assigned password to this field. So it will saying that no password set. You can also set the password here. And there is a few users. And here is our database blog with the return type comment. First one, hello Sammy, is the data which we have previously worked on. So here is the foreign key. User one is a foreign key in which the data is assigned of the data of another table, like user table is assigned in this field, and we can access this field from blog, and we can fetch the all data from this field. So If you hope you will like this video. If you like, please like and subscribe.